So today I'm gonna make for you sardine with sweet corn. So the ingredients is 1 small onion, 1 stalk of scallion, a piece of thyme to 1 finger, a 1/4 teaspoon of pimento seed, optional, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, any salt is good, half of a scotch bonnet pepper. Just a word of advice to Jamaican people in Jamaica. You know something? If you freeze your scotch bonnet pepper, it lasts you longer. Because more time you buy it and you put it at the bottom of the fridge and it gets soft on you and spoil before you could get a chance to use them all. If you freeze them and just take them out one at a time and put it back in the freezer, put it in a bag like this, it will last longer. International people, you can follow the same advice. Some oil, about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, cooking oil. And the accompaniment for this meal is going to be mashed potato. Note, if you leave it out after you freeze it, it's going to get soft, so you have to put it back in the refrigerator if you, the ones you're not going to use. So we're going to use, you can use 1 or 2 garlic cloves. Just kind of mash it. I recommend use a chopping board for this. The plate can break. This is a plate that I use to cover most of my pots. I shouldn't be using it to show anybody because it's dangerous. It's not safe to use. So don't follow me. I'm just doing a quick thing. Remember saying in Jamaica, say shortcut draw blood. So quick thing. And sometimes be dangerous, but I'm being very cautious though. I'm not compressing, I'm not pressing hard on the plate. As you can see, there's a crack. That's why I'm using it, because it's old. So this is a small onion. Just prep it, clean off every little thing, and rinse it. Side and cover it. Cover that. And this is our sardine. Clean up the top. Prep this. So take these out one at a time. So now remove this I'm going for. I could have do this a little bit cleaner, but this is just the egg. You don't want hors d'oeuvre, sardine hors d'oeuvre. You just put this in here. Look at this. This is what I don't want. This. God, it's disgusting. Sardine is nice. Everybody loves sardine. Whales love sardine. A lot of fish in the sea love sardine. Penguins love sardine. Humans love sardine. Alright. Some people remove this, but I don't, because I have a feeling it's good for you. This, I like it. It tastes good to me. The bone. So you can remove the bone if you want. And this now, this is soya oil. I use it. So just pour that out. Alright. Just throw this out. This is waste. You gotta be so careful with this. Sardine tastes good with scotch bonnet pepper. So just cover this. Until you're ready. You foreigners, remember scandal bag. That whole scandal bag. So that's it. Clean air. Got my scallion. I've been calling this scallion. See when you grow. Just slice this and rinse it off. And dice it. It's my can corn. Sweet corn, I'll just say corn. All corn. If you have an opener, use a fancy openers. But you know what? In Jamaica, that's how most people open this. Can't bother coughing out can. In an opener. Just cut it away from you. See how I cut it away from me? Remove the water. Just do that. Okay, make sure the water is gone. Just keep this away from you because you know accidents sometimes. Put to eat a frying pot for stewing. Put the stove gauge on 4. If it gets over like that, just use a lighter. Alright. If the pot is dry, you can add oil. Two tablespoons. Just allow that to get hot. 1 minute. Add the onions. Allow that to saute slowly, not like when we cook in those others. Just allow it. After about 40 seconds to a minute, add the garlic. Stir it and let it stay. After a minute, add the pepper. This is gonna move fast. The gauge is still on 4. So just some water, a quarter cup. Just cover it. Go back on this. Add a pimento seed. It's optional though. Right, sardine, you don't need to cook it that much. So look on it. Add your ketchup. About 2 tablespoons. Move the time. Time this work already. And just gently stir. Just cover it and allow it to simmer. So that's a short recap. After I put the sardine in and the water, I allow it to simmer for about 40 seconds to a minute. Add all the ingredients, and then I add the ketchup. The stove's gauge is on 4, which is medium. So in about a minute it's gonna be finished. After about 30 seconds, remove the pepper, add the corn, and just gently stir it. That's it. And stove off. So I'm gonna add the herbs. So when it's off, you can add the dried herbs, a 1/4 teaspoon dried parsley, a 1/4 teaspoon of dried basil, and the salt, 1/4 teaspoon, just a 1/4 teaspoon. That's it. That's it. Alright. Spoons are all washed. It's my sardine. Oh, I know. Split this. Sardine carrot. If I had fresh parsley, I would have just put one right there. Could I put the scotch bonnet pepper in? I'm sure it's already. Yeah, man, I'm sure it's ready. Anyway, carrot, sardine with mashed Irish potatoes. I can't wait to eat this. This looks good. Take a couple of pictures right now before I eat. See if I can catch some steam. I like to catch a steam in it so you guys can see. Oh, fuck. This is interesting. I cook this all the while still. I eat it with the rice. Today I was thinking to myself, I want this but I just don't feel for it right. What can I eat it with? The last minute, mashed potatoes came to mind. It's a nice, clean, simple, tasty way of cooking the sardine. The corn is nice. So enjoy. I'm gonna go feast.